That
the
is
Soccer
right.
Nation,
The home opener for
most
Minnesota
fun,
United
Minnesota
is just
United.
hours away.
How you guys doing? Today is Minnesota United season opener, and I'm gonna go to that game. And I'm gonna go to every game. In fact, I got a season ticket, and my buddy Ejiro Usu got a season ticket. I recommend all of you to get tickets. When you get your ticket, use ACE10, ACE 10. My name, my number, reppin' TTL. Another thing, Osfana Nation. Take your vacation if you haven't. July 21 through July 28 is going to be in Colorado. Take your vacation now. Start saving your money. Take your vacation during Osfana. Oromos, we got everything going for us except we're not supporting our kids. That's why we don't have Oromo players in the national team yet. But we got a strong soccer tournament coming up. We got to support our kids. Like my kids, they're going to be pro soccer players when they grow up. And they're going to be in the making right now. This is Ayane. See, this is Ayane. Ayane, she's gonna be #1 goal scorer for the U.S. national team, right? Say #1 goal scorer. There you go, #1. She's gonna play in Osfana for Abdi Baru. I think Team Sinke is too feminist for you, right? That's right. You're #1 goal scorer. Exactly, you're #1 goal scorer. Check this out. This is Ayane, 1 year old. Yeah, look at your video, Ayane, 1 year old. There you go. You see? When you're 1 year old, she can speed dribble when she was 1 year old. Now she's 18 months old. This right here, this is my boy. His name is Machine Gun. He's gonna be #1 goal scorer for Minnesota United. His assignment is to be #1 goal scorer for Minnesota United. Not the U.S. men's national team, but Minnesota United. That's his assignment. Alright, buddy? Train very well. Scarves up. Before we watch the highlight, let's check out our new stadium. Before we go into TCF Bank and watch today's highlight, scarves up, get motivated, new stadium. Check that out. Minnesota United, scarves up. See that? Scarves up for this new stadium. Scarves up. Scarves up. Yeah. Yeah. You see this poster? I'm by the poster. Look at how nice that stadium is coming. It's gonna be a perfect stadium, man. You gotta get your tickets and go to this place. Use ACE10 to get your ticket. Yeah. Look at that. Scarves up. Scarves up. Look at how nice the stadium is. Look at that. 2019, man, we're going to be in that stadium. Right now, we'll make it in TCF. Yeah. Minnesota United versus Chicago Fires. Before we start the highlight, scarves up first. Don't scarf up. Scarves up. Scarves up. Alright, the game is about to kick off.
Flattering football display that made many people wonder. Can the Loons make it 2 wins in 2 with victory?
Yeah, it was crazy. The whole time I was having a good time at the game.
Ibsen's ball forward here. The goalkeeper comes an awful long way.
The goalie.
Gets a piece of it.
I was screaming to shoot on him this time.
Finlay. It's
Come on, Minnesota. Come on, Minnesota.
Is this their opening?
Oh, this was so close. That cross went through. Would have been a goal.
It's a really smart save at the near post by Sanchez.
A little touch look at the bottom of his foot, then he finds a bar in that space. Ethan Finlay may have been in an offside position. He stands still, lets the ball go through. Tyrone Mears in an offside.
We're pretty good this year. We're pretty good. We get the new stadium. We're going to get a championship.
Antonello again. Miguel Ibarra's ball there. First of the season in front of a home crowd.
Yep, that was me at the game. Yep, that was me at the game.
Absolutely,
yeah, it was crazy.
Love this. This is a combination play. Look at Miguel Ibarra finds Ethan Finlay. He just finds a space. Serves his ball in once again. Deflected. Ethan Finlay threw it on that one.
He got to the ball first.
Second chance. And who is it?
Well,
It's
3 red
Ibsen.
people standing
Rising up
around.
for the header, a jerseys inside that box. Ibson beats him to the ball.
Yeah.
Save off the line by Sanchez.
What a
but
goal.
Ibson with the wherewithal to follow that one through and finish.
Penalty.
Yeah, and the Fires came back. It didn't take them too long to come back.
The Fires been able to find a way through.
Yes, sir.
Nicholas got something on it.
We're going to get another one back.
United architecture then on downfall once again. And the travelling thousands in the corner go wild. It's a debut goal for Elliot Collier.
Yeah, the Fires got
Major
like
League Soccer, and the Fire
30 good fans, and they got the biggest drum, so
This
they
was
were making
almost a
good
case
noise,
of
but
too many players. Look at everybody
we
trying to come back
24,000.
and defend. You've got 4 gray jerseys there. They
Filled
end
up
up
the
running
stadium.
into each other. Everybody trying to defend. Ibsen's tracking back. Schuler's tracking back. Calvo, Boxall, they get in each other's way.
But you remember little moments. Seeing back-to-back corner kicks there with the scarves up, it is incredible. Some of the best atmosphere anywhere.
Maybe they'll get loud again.
Ooh, what a header! 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 What a header!
Absolutely putting this ball on the dime. Miguel Labar brings that down cleanly, and Ethan Finlay with the overlapping run once again. Bends it away from the keeper, beats 3 defenders with that ball. Look at Nicholson get up for this. Ethan Finlay picks his head up. He
That's a
sees
perfect
Nicholson
header,
in there.
perfect cross.
No doubt about that finish.
Nice curve.
Well done by Minnesota
Scarves
United on
were
that
up.
one. A
Scarves
great
were going
combination play
wild.
that started at midfield.
Scarves were going wild.
Can they make it 3?
Scarves were going wild.
Scramble away, Nicholson in again, Nicholson!
A piece of paper. Literally drawing X's and O's with the shape.
Well, we'll have some more work to do here. Forward for Ramirez.
So close.
And towards Nicholson. Well, either side of Sanchez, and that's 3-1. Ramirez, but what an opening here for Nicholson, Kendra.
Well, he's trying to play his teammate Christian Ramirez in the nice little lofted ball, trying to.
First game, home opener, it's a win. Thank you. Peace out.
That was it, man. Hey, when you get your ticket, if you put Ace 10, that's me. Minnesota United pays me. So please do that. I appreciate it, and I'll give you guys the best Minnesota United highlights on a regular basis in every game. And I'm gonna be out every game. I hold a season ticket, so I got your back. Peace out, Galatoma. Everybody, peace out.